Good afternoon, everyone. This is Adya from Gwinkin Prime TV, and I welcome you all with the English News Bulletin. Let's start with the international news. Donald Trump has been elected the new President of America. He will take oath on 28 January next year, but before that, he is busy forming his team. He has given opportunity to many new faces in his team. In this, new names like big businessman Elon Musk, entrepreneur Vivek Ramaswamy, and news anchor Pete Hakta had got chance. Now, some national news. The first fog of the season was seen on Wednesday in the cities of North India, including the Delhi NCR, due to which the visibility was greatly affected. A thin layer was seen in Delhi due to pollution along with fog, due to which the visibility has reached 100 meters. It has affected the road as well as the air routes. In North India, a combination of fog and haze is being seen. The country's first hydrogen train will start running between Jeend and Sonipat on the new year. The work of the hydrogen plant being built at Jeend Junction is almost 80% complete. The last date for its construction is December. 20% work is also completed in 2 months. After that, the train will be trialled between Jeend and Sonipat. If the trial is successful, the train will be run on hydrogen gas. This train will look like Vande Bharat. From sports world, there are still a few days left for the Border Gavaskar Trophy to begin between India and Australia. But a war of words seems to be starting between Gautam Gambhir and Ricky Ponting. India's head coach did not take Ponting's comment on Virat Kohli, who is facing criticism, well, and advised the former Australian captain to think about his team. Now, Ponting has also shared his reaction to the comments made by Gambhir, calling India's head coach a difficult character. Now, some local happenings. The police department conducted a road safety exam in government and private schools on Tuesday. About 2,55,738 students took this exam in 1,105 schools, 34 colleges and ITI in the district. In this exam of about 2.5 hours, school children answered questions related to road safety. Students who perform well in the written exam will participate in the state level written exam. The winning participants will also be honored by the police department. Let's know our weather reports. The weather in Sirsa today is mostly sunny with the maximum temperature of 28 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Now, some Gwinkin news. Gwinkins led a heartwarming morning assembly on World Kindness Day, emphasizing the importance of kindness through thought, action, and word. They inspired everyone to embrace compassion, highlighting kindness as a powerful force of unity. That's all from my side. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you and have a nice day.